Okay. Ang galing nila alam kung kilig kayo lahat. Kilig. Kilig talaga. Okay. So gusto niyo nila salita.
Gusto niyo ba sila marinig, guys?
Yeah.
Alright. Your fans are beyond excited to see you today. Why don't you all greet them individually?
Gusto mo nagka-stamp, please. Ang bobo mo.
둘, 셋. Come and get it.
Can you please greet them individually?
Philippines! Philippines! Thank you so much!
Hi, my name is Yu-Gyo. Nice to meet you. Yu-Gyo. Hi. Yes, my name is Youngjae. Thank you. Nice to meet you. What's up, Philippines? Mark. Kamusta? Ako si Bembe. Maganda kayo. Mahal ko kayo. I love you. Oh, nice guy.
마부하이. JB. I'm JB. Nice to meet you. Philippines.
Make some noise, Manila. Hi everyone, I'm Jackson. I'm Junior.
Alright, thank you so much. Welcome to the Philippines, of course. Greet them in Korean.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. So you know, one of them is celebrating his birthday on January 6th. And not only that, GOT7 is celebrating their first anniversary January 16th.
That is right. That is why their fans have a very special surprise for them. May we call on the representatives of JYP Nation Philippines to sing them a happy birthday song.
Wow!
Let's sing a happy birthday song.
Wow!
Are you ready? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to JB. JB. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Make a wish. Leader.
Let's give Sherwin a big
Thank
round of
you.
applause.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Philippines.
much. What can you say about the things, the gifts that your fans have prepared for you?
이렇게 필리핀까지 왔는데 축하해 주셔서 정말 감사하고요. 정말 태어나길 잘한 것 같고요. 앞으로 갓세븐의 리더로서 더 열심히 활동하면서 좋은 모습 많이 보여드릴 테니까 계속 사랑해 주세요, 여러분. 감사합니다. I love you. Thank you.
Alright guys, thank you so much. It's basically
Sabi niya, thank you so much for celebrating his birthday in the Philippines. And he's so happy for you guys.
alright, do you guys want to hear more from GOT7? You want to see them shake the stage?